any error code popping up on the control panel display? You may be able to solve a lot of them by yourself. Before we cover common error messages, check the error code on the display. If your unit is displaying an IE error code, it means the water supply is inadequate. First, make sure the water supply tap is fully open. Next, check whether the water supply hose is kinked. If this is the case, straighten or reinstall the inlet hose. If the supply hose filter is clogged, it can decrease the water flow. Turn off the water supply. Remove the end of the hose connected to the washing machine. Check if the filter in the water inlet is clogged. If the water inlet filter is clogged, go ahead and clean it. Reinstall it and connect hose back to the washer. You may have to check the water pressure. Make sure you have adequate water pressure. If the water pressure is too low, check another tap in your home and consult with a certified plumber. If the unit is displaying a UE error code, it means your laundry is unbalanced. First, check whether the load is too small. If so, the drum may stop spinning or may be interrupted. Add 1 or 2 similar items or other smaller articles of clothes to help balance the load. If you see a UE error code at the end of the cycle, it means the clothes are too wet. Rearrange the load to allow for proper spinning. Then close the door and press the Start/Pause button. It may take a few moments before the washing machine begins to spin again. If your unit is displaying an OE error code, it means the water cannot drain. Check whether the drain hose is kinked or clogged. If this is the case, clean and straighten the drain hose. It can also be that the drain filter is clogged. If this is the case, clean the drain filter. If uncertain how to, check out our How to Clean the Drain Pump Filter video. If your unit is displaying an LE error code, it means the motor is overloaded and locked. Let the appliance rest for 30 minutes to cool down. Then restart the washing cycle. If your unit is displaying a FF error code, it means your unit is frozen. Check the water inlet and drain hoses. Also check the drain filter to see whether the drain pump is frozen. Supply warm water into the drum in order to unfreeze the drain hose and the drain pump. Cover the supply hose with a warm wet towel to defrost the water supply hose. If your unit is displaying a PF error code, it means you've experienced a power failure. This may occur if the power supply to the washing machine is interrupted during a cycle from power outage. To fix this, simply restart the washing cycle. If your unit is displaying the same error message as above, close the water tap and unplug the power cord. Please call your LG Service Center for support.